Hello, my name's Richard. Welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a video of one of our fully prepared cars. It's a 2013 Polo Match. It's the 1.4 5-door in Nimbus grey. It's got the DSG automatic gearbox. The car's one private keeper from new. It does benefit from a full service history. And we've just had the car serviced and MOT for a year. As I said a moment ago, it's Nimbus grey metallic. It's the match spec, so it's got a nice specification. It does have the additional Volkswagen Bluetooth as well for the phone preparation. It's also got DAB radio as an extra, and it's got the MDI, the music interface, so you can plug USB devices in and you can plug your iPhone in. All the alloy wheels are in excellent order, and as you'd expect with this miles, 27,000 miles and one private keeper, the car's in outstanding condition throughout. It does have the slightly rear tinted glass, the privacy glass on the rear, and it's got the twin clutch DSG automatic gearbox, which is an absolute pleasure to drive. This car does benefit from 6 months top of the range platinum RAC warranty, and it also has the 12 months complimentary RAC membership, which does have home start, roadside assistance and recovery, so you've got that peace of mind in the background should you require it. Just looking in here into the rear, and then we'll just look in through the passenger window as well. And as I said earlier, it has the all-important Bluetooth and the DAB radio. Just looking down at the near side front wheel, which is in good order, as are the rest of them. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to hearing from you.